to maintain a happy family and healthy teeth, as well as learn useful tricks. It's essential to start by utilizing a remarkable application. This can be accessed by searching for a specific website in your browser or downloading it from an app store. Once you've gained access, you'll need to complete a verification process to ensure everything is in order. After verifying your account, you can explore the various options available within the application. The next step involves participating in a minigame that offers valuable experience. To make progress, it's crucial to complete daily tasks such as checking in, watering crops, and sharing the game with others. Collecting water droplets is also necessary to unlock land and expand your virtual space. Additionally, keeping an eye out for special events can provide bonus rewards and increase your chances of winning. The process is straightforward and enjoyable, allowing you to make progress and potentially win rewards. By following these steps and having fun, you can achieve your goals and make the most of your experience.